In this video, I'll show you how to edit your personal information in DocuSign step by step so you can keep your profile accurate and up to date. Start by logging into your DocuSign account and clicking on your profile icon in the top right corner, then select Manage Profile from the drop-down menu. This will take you to your account settings where you can control personal details. Navigate to the My Profile section, where you'll see fields like your name, email, phone number, and other relevant information. Click on any field you want to update and enter the correct details carefully. Make sure everything matches your official records to avoid issues with documents or verification later. Once you've made your changes, review everything and click Save to apply updates. Keeping your profile updated helps ensure smooth communication and accurate document handling. Subscribe for more simple tech tutorials.